Veggie Playtime. Hi, buddies! Let's explore the different kinds of weather we see every day. Sunny day! Let's start with sunny days. Have you ever felt the warm sun on your skin? Sunny days are when the sun is shining bright in the sky, and there are few or no clouds. It feels warm and bright, and we can go outside to play, have picnics, and even swim. Don't forget to wear sunscreen and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. Cloudy day. Now, let's talk about cloudy days. Have you ever looked up and seen the sky filled with big, fluffy clouds? On cloudy days, the sun is hiding behind the clouds, so it's not as bright outside. Sometimes the clouds are light and white, but sometimes they're dark and gray, which can mean rain is on the way. Cloudy days are cozy and cool, perfect for reading, drawing, or playing inside. And remember, clouds come in all shapes. See if you can spot any fun shapes in the sky. Rainy day. Next up, let's talk about rainy days. Rain happens when clouds get too full of water droplets, and then it falls down to the ground as raindrops. Rain helps water the plants, flowers, and trees, making them grow strong and tall. On rainy days, you might need an umbrella, raincoat, and boots to keep dry. And who doesn't love jumping in puddles? Just remember to stay safe. Stormy day. And now, let's talk about stormy days. Stormy days are when the sky is dark, and you might hear thunder and see flashes of lightning. Storms happen when clouds are full of energy, and they bring heavy rain and strong winds. Sometimes, the thunder can sound loud and a little scary, but remember, it's just nature doing its thing. During a storm, it's best to stay safe indoors where you can watch and listen from a cozy spot. Windy day! Finally, we have windy days. Have you ever felt the wind blowing through your hair or seen leaves dancing in the air? Windy days happen when the air is moving fast. Wind can feel soft and gentle or strong and powerful. You can fly a kite on a windy day, and it's so much fun to watch it soar in the sky. Just hold on tight so it doesn't blow away. Thanks for watching.